Hey guys, Quick Magic Tricks here with a rubber band through rubber band trick. So what you're going to do is you're going to put the first rubber band onto your left hand, on your thumb and your first finger, and stretch it out about 4 to 5 inches. And then on your right hand, you're going to want to put the other rubber band on your first finger, just dangling like that. And then you're going to want to go from the back here and put your thumb through. And now you have it like this. You should be in this position right about now. And if you pull, it does not come through. So now you have to close up your hands, and then while you're doing that, bring your middle finger through here where your first finger is on your right hand, and then while your middle finger is through, you're going to take out your first finger, and now your middle finger should be on there. And now we're going to go down here where our thumb is and put our first finger about 1 to 2 inches away from that. And once you have your first finger in there, you're going to take your middle finger out, like so. And that's pretty much it. If you do it about maybe 2-3 times faster, then it'd look really amazing. And they'll be like, whoa, how'd you do that? And it'd be really cool. And it's a really simple trick, so it's not really that hard. But if you keep on practicing, then it'd look really cool. But I don't really know how to do it that fast, so I'm just trying to share it with everybody so maybe they're good at it. I would recommend not using thin rubber bands like I am, because they do have a chance of breaking because you do a lot of stretching and things like that. And I also want to share some ways to improvise if you don't have rubber bands. You could use silly bands or elastic string, or maybe if you don't have any of those, then you could just use string or yarn and make it into a circle. Even though it's not stretchy, I think that would still work. Not too sure about that, but I think so. I don't know. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for giveaways and updates about new magic tricks and card tricks.